In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Square Appointments. Whether you're updating to a more professional email address or simply switching to an account you check more frequently, keeping your Square Appointments account current is essential for managing your business effectively. Let's dive into the process to ensure you don't miss any important notifications about your appointments. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Square homepage. You'll find everything you need to run your business on Square, but for today we're focusing specifically on adjusting your account details. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your Square account, and it's usually located in the top right corner of the page. A click on this will take you closer to the adjustments we're about to make. The next step involves entering your login credentials. Start with your current email address, the one you initially used to sign up for Square. Then you'll enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly. Passwords are case sensitive and often contain a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Once you've inputted your information, hit the Sign In button to access your Square dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center for all your Square activities. Upon gaining access to your dashboard, your next action entails navigating to your account settings. But first, identify and click on your store name, located at the top right hand corner of the page. This action reveals a drop down menu with various options. From this menu, select Account Settings. It's in this section where you can manage your personal information, including your email address. As you enter the account settings area, you'll observe different sections. Look for the email section. It should be straightforward to locate. Once you find it, you'll see an update button adjacent to your current email address. This is what you'll want to click on to initiate the email change process. Upon clicking Update, you're prompted to enter a new email address. This should be the address you wish to be associated with your Square appointments moving forward. It's crucial that this email is one you regularly check, as Square will send appointment notifications and other important account information to this address. After you've entered your new email address, you'll need to confirm it. This step is vital for ensuring that the email address you've entered is correct and accessible by you. Double checking the spelling and any special characters is always a smart move to prevent any issues down the line. Finally, it's time to solidify your changes. Locate and click on the Confirm button. This action signals Square to update your account details with your new email. It's worth noting that you might be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. This is a standard safety measure to ensure that you, the account holder, are authorizing this change. Congratulations! You've now successfully updated your email address for Square appointments. This change will help ensure that you're always in the loop about your scheduling and any updates or notifications from Square. As a parting tip, remember to check your new email for a confirmation from Square. They often send a follow-up email to verify that your account changes were intentional and securely made. Clicking on the confirmation link within that email adds an extra layer of security to your account modifications. Thank you for following along in this instructional guide. Updating your email on Square appointments is a straightforward process, but it's an important one to ensure the smooth operation of your business and appointment system. Whether you're new to Square or a long-time user, keeping your account information current is key to maximizing the platform's benefits.